The next ingredients we're going to add to our Toll House cookies are salt and baking soda. Whenever you're cooking with chocolate, you'll notice that the recipe calls for baking soda as opposed to baking powder, so do be sure that you make that distinction. This is just regular salt, and we're going to use 1 teaspoon. And in baking, it's important to make sure your proportions are exact. It's not like making a stew. This is a little too much. That's a good thing that I didn't do that over the bowl, because I'm going to pour a little bit out. Okay, that's a little generous, but perfectly okay. And here's the baking soda, which of course is the leavening agent. This is what enables this flour and butter and eggs and all the heavier materials to rise and give you a nice light product. And again, if you open the box carefully, you can do it in such a way as to make a nice leveling platform over here. So you've got a perfect 1 teaspoon. Dump that in. Make sure you get the whole teaspoon in. And turn on your machine. And once again, it's important to keep your spatula close at hand so that you can be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl and the beaters, because sometimes the whole process will get stuck in the upper part of the beaters. And scrape the sides as well as the beaters so you get everybody down into the pool where it belongs. And then turn it back on. Let it beat some more. You'll notice that it's becoming very uniform in color, and there aren't any clumps of butter or sugar. It's just being uniformly blended.